Hello, everyone. This is the weekly review for January 11th to January 15th in AP World History. We began the week talking about reactions to the industrial economy. After I adjusted the page numbers on the assignments, students were asked to explain the causes and effects of calls for changes in industrial societies from 1750 to 1900. We examined political, social, educational, and urban reforms, as well as the advent of socialism and communism as a reaction to laissez-faire capitalism. And we talked about the modernization of economies as well as the modernization of militaries due to industrial advancement. We continued working on and finished the DBQ graphic organizer. We unpacked each document looking for whether it contained political or social aspects. We also unpacked the documents looking for the world region it had come from, what the major concept was, the speaker or author's point of view, and the need or what the missing voice was from each document, given the topic or concept. We committed class time to drafting a thesis and body paragraphs as we continued workshopping the essay. Our four-class focus was on connecting skill development. We finished that up and did an exit ticket earlier in the week. And then we switched up and started a new focus on a previous executive functioning skill, perseverance. The next assignment we worked on was on society, continuity, and change. There were two goals within that exercise: to explain how industrialization caused change in existing social hierarchies and standards of living. As far as social hierarchies, you had the emergence of a new middle class, which was formed by the industrial workers, and the standard of living continued to improve with these industrial advancements. You also had to explain the extent to which industrialization brought change. Some of the changes were improved manufacturing methods, the availability of a variety of goods, which came about through the consumer economy, improved communication, and increased trade, and effects of migration. Again, we talked about migration from the rural areas into the urban areas because of the industrial opportunity brought about by new jobs, and the migration from Europe to the Americas as the Americas began to be more of an area, or seen as an area of opportunity given their expansive industrialization. We had a writing prompt that introduced one of the short answer questions from the Unit 5 exam, which focused on nationalism. You were asked to consider what the features of nationalism were in this period, some of the political developments that would have helped to spread nationalism, as well as providing an instance in which nationalism helped to create a new state during this period. We also worked on an Edpuzzle that reinforced the cause and effects of the Industrial Revolution. One of the questions we considered was why the revolution began in England, and thought about other logical locations for its origin, and then supporting your answers to those questions. What's going to happen next? In our shortened week, we will have a writing prompt that will focus on question 22. Our four-class focus will continue to be perseverance. We're going to workshop the DBQ essay, which will be due at the end of the week, and we'll also be taking the Unit 5 exam in breakout rooms. Just another reminder, it is a shortened week with shortened classes. That's it for now. Take care, everyone.